Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Telegram data to a new phone. If you want to transfer your Telegram data to a new phone, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have one, you can create a new account to continue. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal bars. Then, tap on it, and from the menu, choose Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Here you will find all the important options for managing your Telegram usage. The good news is that Telegram is cloud-based, which means your chats, media, and files are already stored securely online. You do not need to manually backup or transfer like other apps. All you have to do is log in on your new phone with the same phone number, and Telegram will instantly sync your chats, groups, and contacts. Finally, when you set up your new phone, just install Telegram, log in with your number, enter the verification code, and within seconds, all your data will appear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.